Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about updating your website content to inform people if you are still operating in the era of the coronavirus, because obviously many countries expect lockdown, and my customer even emailed me that in Ireland they stopped people from sending any items, so they are not able to post any orders, even if someone places an order. So they have to go around it to run their business as usual, because they can't even leave the house after 6 p.m. So they have much stricter rules of the lockdown than we do have in the UK. However, if you are still shipping, if you are still taking orders, make sure to inform about it on the homepage, like I did for this customer before the restrictions took place, because they took place only today. However, he took a number of orders over the last few days. So I added the text. I think they changed since then. Okay, this is the picture of the text they originally added. It was a few days ago. So shop home essentials, all in stock, everyday shipping. So this everyday shipping, it was an assurance that they are still shipping. Obviously they changed it now because they cannot ship any orders. However, if you are still operating, people are shopping online at the moment. If you're still operating, if you're still shipping every day, make sure to include this info, because people are looking to buy online right now. They are not shopping in store, because all of the shops are closed. All of the high street shops are closed. So if you're still operating, make sure to include it in your top banner, on a home page, and in a place where people can easily find this info on every page of your website, because this is really important. People need to know that they can still go ahead with the order, with placing order from you. So place this kind of information on your website and assure people they can go ahead and order from you. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please click like underneath this video, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.